Good morning, YouTube and my fellow SW Ultimate members. I'm Manny Viloria of TrulyRichPinoy.com, and today we're going to talk about blog marketing for networkers. What exactly is blog marketing? It's publishing useful or entertaining things in your website or blog and helping people basically so that you can attract readers, supporters who will join you in your organization or in your business opportunity. Now for today, let's have a look at the blog of Jay De La Peña. It's at jayshub.blogspot.com. And when you visit Jay's Hub, you'll notice that you'll find some tutorials. He's not selling you SWA or his network marketing business. I mean, right in your face, no? So if you scroll down, we have here a tutorial on how to change the blog title color on Blogger. Why is this important? This helps you stand out since this will make your Blogspot blog look different compared to the other blog marketers. He has here a graphic, and below that is the actual tutorial uploaded right here in YouTube, okay? Or YouTube, depending on what country you're from. And then below, here's the key portion of below the blog post, below the tutorial, the tip or the guide is an invitation to get additional free training. And he has this headline: learn how to earn extra income even if you are super busy. Just enter your name and email on the form and you're on your way to success. You have here this Get Instant Access Now button, and then when people click on this, well, the assumption is they appreciate the tutorial which Jay De La Peña shared. And so when they scroll down, they might be interested in additional tips. They'll click on this Get Instant Access Now, and they'll be brought to this email registration page where they can enter their name and their email. And if you're a member of SWA Ultimate, you will notice that there is a refer ID here which belongs to which is the refer ID of Jay De La Peña. So what happens is when people click on the submit button, they'll receive via email a series of tips and tutorials and other information, sometimes even sample ebooks from me. And this will help sell SW Ultimate for Jay De La Peña. Now the video here that appears here in the upper left hand corner, this is created for members of Team Manny Viloria. Same thing with this email capture page. Same thing with the email series. A series of emails will be automatically sent to those who specifically requested for this kind of information. And then when they actually do join SW Ultimate, the credit will go to Jay De La Peña. This works because Jay invested in himself and he took the time to help others by not just posting advertisements for SW Ultimate. No, he posted advertisements that lead people to his blog, to his useful or entertaining blog, where he can show that he's willing to help people first before asking for a commission, right? He's willing to give first, and that's a secret. So if you'd like to help others by publishing useful tutorials, for example, and you would like automatic technical help for the setting up of your email autoresponder series, which will be the one in charge of marketing SW Ultimate for you, then join Team Manny Viloria. Okay? So until the next tip or tutorial or guide, I'm Manny Viloria saying, invest in yourself before others will invest in you. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay tayong lahat.